Hey, Dorita here, and I wanted to show you something that I do with my kids to help them figure out capacity, quantities, and measurement problems. Now, I know a lot of people use the gallon guy and they use the big G and things like that. I like to have my kids do a gallon chart because it really shows them the relationships between the different units of capacity and the gallon. And so, and it also helps us to figure out how many fluid ounces are actually in each separate different unit. So let me show you how we do ours. We call it the gallon chart. And the gallon chart starts off with a big rectangle. So we just draw a rectangle. Okay? And then what we do here is we draw a horizontal line halfway through, and then we do another one up here at the top and another one here in the bottom half. That way we've got 4 rows. Now the top row is your gallon. Okay? Now that we've got the gallon drawn out, we're going to go halfway down and we're going to draw a vertical line halfway through. Then we're going to half the left side. We're going to half the right side. That way I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 different sections in my second row. Those 4 sections are going to be my quarts because there are 4 quarts in a gallon, and I just put a Q there. But it gives you that relationship. You can see that there are 4 quarts in that gallon. Now, I'm going to divide each one of my quarts into 2 pieces. Okay? And each one of these 8 sections is now a pint. These pints, because it takes 2 pints to make a quart and 4 quarts to make a gallon. So now we can also see how many pints are in a gallon. And then we need to divide each pint into 2 cups. And the easiest way to do that is to actually draw one horizontal line through this last row, and then each of these sections put a C in it for cup. Okay? Now, you don't have to be perfect, but you can still see a good relationship here. And you can also see that these 4 cups would equal these 2 pints, so 4 cups would equal a quart. There's just all kinds of different things that you can do with this. Now, how much is in each one of these different categories here? So all you need to know is that 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. Because then you can tell exactly what everything else is. Because if this cup is 8 fluid ounces and this cup is 8 fluid ounces, when I put them together, that means that every pint would be 16 fluid ounces. Now, I'm not going to put 8 in all the cups because, first of all, I don't really have that much room. But every pint is 16 fluid ounces. So when I put these 2 pints together, that means that the quarts have to be equal to 32 fluid ounces. And then whenever 32 times 4, my gallon is 128 fluid ounces. And so it not only gives me a good illustration of how many cups are in a gallon, how many pints are in a gallon, how many quarts are in a gallon, but I can tell exactly how many ounces are in each one of those units. And I can look at some different relationships as well. So I really, really like the gallon chart. It's easy, it's quick, and kids pick up on it pretty well. And then they also have a real good understanding of how much capacity is actually in each one of these units. So thanks a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and got some value from it, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then you can also check out my blog at www.DoritaMcCullers.org for more math tips and videos. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot.